Welcome to the Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of the 3D modeling. Exercise number 11. First, select the new part. Then pick top plane for sketching. Now, select the center line and draw a horizontal center line from the origin. Now, select the line command and draw the profile of the 3D part as given in the manual. It is enough to draw half of the part of the 3D profile as we are going to use the revolve base command. Care should be taken as it is a complicated stepped profile. Once the sketch is completed, specify its dimension using Smart Dimension command. Specify all the dimensions of the sketch as given in the manual. Once all the specified dimensions are given as per the manual and the sketch is fully defined, select Features option. In that, select Revolved Bars. Specify the axis of revolution as the center line. Now, select the inner face of the part and give sketch. Select the line command and draw the outline of the 2D key. Then specify the dimensions of the lines using Smart Dimension command. In order to make the sketch symmetry about the whole, draw a center line from the center of a circle and give the relation between the center line and the drawn sketch as symmetric. After the sketch is fully defined, in Features, select Extruder Cut, then give the end condition to be through all. That's it. Our part is completed.